exercise that can help strengthen the muscles in your quadricep and to help support your knee joint. So this could be done seated or lying down. Seated, you are going to get a little bit more out of it. However, if you're just getting started, seated may not even be an option for you. Okay, so first and foremost, if we're going to do it seated, we want to make sure that we can do it in good posture. So that means when I'm sitting, I need to be able to hold my body up nice and tall and not be rounded like so, because that puts a lot of stress on my lower back. Okay, so I like to use the other leg to help pull myself up and hold myself in that nice tall posture. I'm going to pull my toes back and squeeze my quadricep muscle, and then I'm going to release. So I'm going to pull back, squeeze my quadricep muscle, and release. I would do 8 to 10 of those if I was just getting started, and then I would switch legs. Now, the second level is I'm going to do that exact same exercise, but then I'm going to lift that leg up off the floor. Now notice that I'm lifting my leg up off the floor without leaning back to do it. So if you find that you're leaning back to lift your foot up off the floor, it might mean that you're not quite ready for that second level yet. Okay? Third level, I'm going to lift my leg up off the floor, kind of rainbow it over to the other side and set it down. Lift it up, rainbow it back. Again, if you're kind of jerking to make it happen, it probably means that you're not ready for that next level. The fourth level is when you rainbow, you don't actually set the leg on the floor. You hold it up the entire time. Okay? So no matter which level you're at, you're choosing about 8 to 12 repetitions depending on your level of strength, and then you're going to switch to the other side. Now, digressing, if we need to start laying down. So I would be on my back, leg is extended, starting in the exact same way. I'm going to pull my toes back, squeeze my quadricep, and then release. Pull my toes back, squeeze my quadricep, and release. So when I pull my toes back, squeeze my quadricep, my leg is active, it's firm, it's solid, and then when I relax or release, my leg is relaxed. So that's the difference between the two positions. Second level, I do that same thing, contract my quad, and then I'm just going to lift my leg up off the floor. Notice it's not super high. Everybody wants to lift to here. You don't have to lift that high, right? I just need about 20 degrees off the floor, keeping your foot active, not resting in between each repetition. Level 3, remember, is the rainbow, and then level 4 is doing it without resting or setting it down in between each one. Same rules apply. 8 to 12 repetitions depending on your level, and then you're going to switch legs.